We are going to continue this fifth chapter, students, emerging modes of business. The next topic is online transaction steps. What are the steps in online transaction? Okay, online business, when you are doing online purchasing, what are the steps? This is a 4 marks question, students. 4 marks it will come. Okay, this is very familiar thing. You have done also online, you buy the things, you can write it. So the first step is registration. See, first registration has to be done. Account number is to be given. Yes, your bank account number is to be done. Okay, is to be given to the while doing registration. So first step is registration. First registration has to be done. Second step is placing an order. Yes, after registration is done, the product has to be selected and put in shopping cart. Yes, next we know that is the after the registration, the product has to be selected. You will choose your product. For example, if you are choosing maybe a watch, yes, you will choose what kind of watch, the color, the pattern. You will select, you will see your price, which cost you want. Okay, then you will put it in the add. There is an option you will get, no, add to shopping cart. Yes, then you will put to shopping cart, isn't it? So first step is registration, then placing an order. Okay, next third step this is payment mechanism. Next you have to pay, right? You have to pay the money. So payments can be done in any of these ways. You can do payment, that is cash on delivery. Yes, once the delivery is done, then you will pay the cash. Second, you can do it by check. You can just write the how much money, you can put your account number and your check. Then some people use credit cards, debit cards, then digital cash. That is transferring the money from your account to the seller's account. Yes, okay. So this was a 4 marks question, very easy, very simple. So what are the steps in online transaction? First is registration has to be done. Okay. Second is placing an order. The product has to be selected and put in shopping cart. Third is payment mechanism. That is payments can be done in cash and delivery, all these steps. Okay. Next topic is another 4 marks question. Ways of payment in online transaction. How you can do payment in online transaction? Just now we saw, no, payments can be done. So you have to here little explain here. So first one is cash on delivery. What is cash on delivery? Yes, you know it. Cash is paid on delivery of goods. Now you have ordered watch, no? The deliver, they will come to the house, they will give you the watch, they packed it and given it to you. After that, you are going to pay the cash. That is cash on delivery. Next one is check. What is check? Customer can make payment by check, then delivery of goods. Check is what? That is, we know checkbook and all. That is, you write your name, okay, then the account number, signature, it has to be correct and given to the seller. Then the person will go to the bank and encash that. Yes, okay. Third step is net banking transfer. That is, amount is transferred to the account on online electronically. For example, if you are purchasing a t-shirt, maybe it is 500 rupees. You will just transfer their account number and from your bank account, the money will just go. Nimma account it will go to their account number. You don't have to go to bank. Sitting at home, if through mobiles only, you can do it. Okay, yes. Next is plastic money. See, our topic, what we are discussing, ways of payment. How in online transaction, how this money can be paid. Okay, first is cash on delivery we saw. That is, when goods come, after that cash you are paying. Then check we saw. Then that is net banking transfer. Okay, now online Big Bazaar and all, you are purchasing, no, groceries. What you do? They will bring the product and give, but online only. You will transfer the money from your account to their account. Okay, you will not go to bank. You will not even go to Big Bazaar. At home only you are doing the transaction. Yes. Next is plastic money. What is this plastic money? Yes, plastic money is nothing but credit card and debit card. The amount is transferred electronically by the bank to the seller's account. Yes, if you have this credit card or debit card, if you go for shopping, you can use these cards. Yes, it is like you don't have to have cash nowadays. These cards are like money. Okay, you can just write how much bill it is. Like for example, you go to a restaurant. Okay, the bill is 2000 rupees. You don't have to give your change all cash. You can just give them this card. Then you have to put your amount. They will, no, they sometimes they give that machine. you have to write the amount 2000, then the pin code. Yes, the password, what is the pin code is to be written, the password has to be written, that only you will know it, you don't have to tell to the seller, you will write the password, then the amount will be transferred from your account to the, that is the restaurant owner, to the seller's account. Okay, yes, so only this much. What you will write? Cash on delivery, first step, then check banking, that is check, first is cash on delivery, second is check, then net banking transfer, then plastic money. Now next topic, right students, practical oriented question. This question only these many points only, okay, only these points. First 4 marks question, online transaction, only these many steps, registration, placing order, payment mechanism, only till here. Second, another one question for 4 marks, ways of payment, from here only, from here to, yes, from here till here only. Now next heading, right, practical oriented question. Write this practical oriented question. The question will come like this. As an online buyer, mention any 5 information intensive products that can be delivered electronically into your computer. As an online buying, what 5 information intensive products you can buy. So you can just write what all online, what all you can buy. Easy you write. Movies you can watch. Yes, e-books, books you can download, videos, music, computer software, journals. Okay, these are easy, just points if you write is enough. That is just for 5 marks. Online, what all you can purchase, intensive product, information intensive product, information giving products, what all you can purchase, which I have marked, easy spellings you write. Okay, that's it students.